Hello everyone, welcome back to Good at Hair channel. This is Ethan. Today, let's talk about the application part of our antimicrobial men's hair system. And it is the 5th video of this series, so you can check our previous videos for more details. Those videos will help you to know more about our products. So, about the application part, firstly, we don't need to take any special precautions or use specific cleaning methods to ensure that the antimicrobial properties remain effective. So please remain everything the same. And secondly, if you'd like to use scalp protector, it's no problem. Then the protector and the silver particles are compatible and can work better together. So, in general, use it now as it was used in the past. That's so easy to enjoy a healthier hair system and scalp. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe and give us your likes. Leave us your comments if you have any questions or would like to try it out. See you soon.